From this video, we will know what's new in the new version of Tesla SCADA 2 version 72. The main feature we added in the new version is information security. Information security you can set up in ID by clicking Project, Information Security, and enable information security. Authentication method, it's one method in this database. Future we will provide cloud possibility authentication method. And you set up databases. In our case, we set up PostgreSQL, database name, and username, password. Failed attempts, it's failed attempts before user is blocked. Lockout duration, it's lockout duration when user is locked out or blocked. Populate users on login. It provides possibility to populate all available users in security system of the project. In dialog box require electronic signature. It provides possibility to require electronic signature for the user when he writes some message or do some actions like call screen or something like this. Disable auto activity. The user will be inactive after 90 days of inactivity. And possibility to securely transfer project file from ID to runtime. When you select security information, you can't add users. Its users will be added in runtime. Let's look how to do it. Now we run and you can choose user to log in. The first user will be admin and the password 123. When you log in, you should change password first for the admin and you click change password. I will not provide this information in this video, but you should know this. So we change password, for example, and new password, and password changed successfully. And let's enter. Now you can call information security to set up users and its roles, permissions, and also you can see audit log. To add user, you should click add and you set up username, password, and you should know that when you enter new user, password will be changed in the first login of this user. Now, roles. For every user, you can set up some roles. In our case, we have some default roles, and what can this role do? You can find in this dialog box. So these users can make admin functions, role assign, user management, user view, can open screen, project config, alarm acknowledge, delete and view, and also make some events in close application, close project and close Tesla Cloud ID or Tesla SCADA runtime, and set point right in values. It's for admin, for example. And here listed all permissions. You can edit permissions and require for every permission e-signature and access level of this permission. Let's see, for example, in our case, admin can change value, and the messages will be written in the events table. But now actions of users will be not written to the events table. Now you can see it in audit log. So you can see that setPoint write and write ID, for example, was new value 36, 34 and old value 99. And the value setPoint write confirms that value is right. And you can see confirmation of this writing. It's actual for the situations where communications between SCADA and PLC is not very good. View details, and also you can make all this password we changed, all the setups. For example, you can set up password policy. In our case, we make no very strong password for the demo purposes, but you can choose the strongest of password by require uppercase, require lowercase letters, require digits, and require special characters. And password history depth. In our case, it means that you can you can't change password for the previous passwords was the same, and 3 previous passwords were the same. Maximum password 8 days. That means that in 90 days you should change password, and first change on the first login. So you should change password when you first login. And a reminder about that you should change password before 10 days of expired, when it expired. And you can also set up a multifunctional authentications. Let's show how it works. Let's make it enforced for administrators and enforced for electronic signature, for example. And audit configurations provide choosing databases and databases when history information is stored. And let's choose how looks multifunctional configuration. You should set up by using software for Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. I will not show. I think most of users know how it works. And let's in the first you by using QR code creating coach and enter the value in your application on your smartphone phone, and you can now enter the running time of the project. In our example, in running simulation in ID. And you can see the information in audit log. Now let's set up permission for for example, can open. We need requires e-signature, and this can open 5. It's a permission for role administrator. It has can open 5, and if you can see, this is access level 19 or 100. To open screen, if you can see, we should enter two-factor authenticator. You can see access level 80, so we can access by administrator this window. So let's run again. and let's access. But because we check e-signature, we need enter password again to enter this window. We enter, sorry, and you can see we enter pop-up screen by using e-signature for this action of this permission. If you log in like operator don't have rights to access this window, and you can get message because operator and he doesn't have rights to access information security. So let's log in like admin and we'll see the settings for the code is changed. And you can see operator has role operator, and if you can see operator has rights only can open one to access open. If you can see open has only access level 20, so he doesn't rights to access the pop-up with access level 180. And if you can see, also this tag has access level 80, and operator now with under admin, but he has permissions to write, but operator doesn't have it. So it's some information about our new feature. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum about this possibility.